Molecular genetics, the blueprint of life. Understanding the molecular basis of heredity and gene expression. Welcome to Anthronet Academy, a study aligned with the UGC NET Anthropology syllabus. Introduction to Molecular Genetics. Molecular genetics studies DNA, RNA, and proteins to understand gene function. It plays a crucial role in medicine, biotechnology, and evolutionary biology. Types of field. Medicine. Genetic disorders. Understanding molecular genetics allows for the diagnosis and treatment of diseases like sickle cell anemia, cystic fibrosis, and Huntington's disease. Personalized medicine. Advances in genetics enable tailored treatments based on an individual's genetic makeup, improving drug efficacy and reducing side effects. Gene therapy. Technologies like CRISPR-Cas9 allow for the correction of faulty genes to treat inherited disorders. Biotechnology. Genetically modified organisms, GMOs. Genetic engineering helps enhance crop yields, improve disease resistance, and develop bioengineered pharmaceuticals. Synthetic biology. Scientists design and create new biological paths and systems, leading to advancements in biofuels, biodegradable plastics, and synthetic insulin production. Evolutionary biology. Tracing ancestry and evolution. DNA sequencing helps reconstruct evolutionary relationships between species and understand genetic diversity. Population genetics studies how genetic variation within populations leads to evolution and adaptation over time. Structure of DNA. Discovered by Watson and Crick in 1953. Components: sugar phosphate backbone and nitrogenous bases A, T, G, C. Complementary base pairing AT, GC. DNA replication occurs during the S phase of the cell cycle. Key enzymes. Helicase unwinds the DNA double helix. DNA polymerase adds complementary nucleotides to synthesize the new strand. Ligase seals gaps in the sugar phosphate backbone. Semi-conservative replication. Each new DNA strand consists of one original parent strand and one newly synthesized strand. Transcription from DNA to RNA. Transcription is the process of synthesizing RNA from DNA. Steps of transcription. Initiation. RNA polymerase binds to the promoter region. Elongation. RNA polymerase adds complementary RNA nucleotides. Termination. The transcription process stops at the terminator sequence. The resulting mRNA carries genetic instructions to the ribosome for translation. Translation, protein synthesis. Translation is the process where ribosomes synthesize proteins using mRNA as a template. Steps of translation. Initiation, the ribosome binds to the mRNA at the start codon, AUG. Elongation, tRNA molecules bring amino acids corresponding to the codons on mRNA. Termination, the process stops at the stop codon, UAA, UAG, or UGA. tRNA role matches amino acids to the corresponding codon on mRNA. Peptide bond formation leads to the creation of polypeptides, proteins. Gene regulation. Cells regulate gene expression to adapt to changing environments. Operon model, bacteria example, lac operon controls lactose metabolism. Epigenetics, chemical modifications like DNA methylation and histone modification affect gene activity without altering the DNA sequence. Regulatory proteins, activators and repressors control transcription levels. Mutations and genetic disorders. Types of mutations. Point mutation, a single nucleotide is changed, example, sickle cell anemia. Frameshift mutation, insertion or deletion of nucleotides alters the reading frame. Causes of mutations. Spontaneous mutations, errors in DNA replication. Induced mutations, caused by radiation, chemicals, or viruses. Examples of genetic disorders. Sickle cell anemia, caused by a mutation in the hemoglobin gene. Cystic fibrosis, caused by a defective CFTR gene. Genetic engineering, modifying DNA to create desired traits. CRISPR-Cas9 technology. CRISPR full form, clustered regularly interspaced short palindromic repeats. It is a revolutionary gene editing tool derived from bacterial immune systems. Cas9 is an enzyme that acts as molecular scissors to cut DNA at a specific location. Scientists design a guide RNA, gRNA, that directs Cas9 to a precise DNA sequence for modification. Applications of CRISPR. Gene therapy, used to correct genetic disorders such as sickle cell anemia and cystic fibrosis. Agriculture, enhancing crop resistance to pests and improving nutritional value. Biomedicine, developing treatments for cancer, viral infections like HIV, and inherited diseases. Synthetic biology, creating modified organisms with enhanced functions. Ethical considerations. Potential risks of unintended genetic modifications. Debates over human genetic enhancements and designer babies. Ecological concerns regarding genetically modified organisms, GMOs. Introduction to the cell cycle. The cell cycle is the sequence of events that cells go through as they grow and divide. Phases of the cell cycle. Interphase, G1S, G2 cell grows, replicates DNA, and prepares for division. Mitotic phase, M the cell divides into two identical daughter cells. Cytokinesis, the cytoplasm splits, completing cell division. Importance of the cell cycle. Ensures proper growth and development. Maintains genetic integrity. Allows for tissue repair and regeneration. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Anthronet Academy, for more insightful content on anthropology. Stay safe and connected.